Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 11th October 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel EduCARE Official, where regular exam updates and quiz is conducted. Starting with the current affairs for the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized the need for an institutional approach by the international community while addressing the UN World Geospatial International Congress. The second United Nations World Geospatial International Congress is being held in Hyderabad and is organized by the United Nations and the Department of Science and Technology and the Space. The 5-day Congress has brought policymakers, startups, scientists, and the NGOs working on this information to a single platform to deliberate about the challenges and make future plans. While referring to how technology helps the welfare of people, PM Modi said that about 450 million unbanked people were brought under the banking net and 135 million people were given insurance. India has received the fourth tranche of information on the financial accounts from the Switzerland since the two countries entered in an automatic exchange information, that is AEOI agreement in the year 2018. The annual exchange between the countries allows them to verify whether the taxpayers have correctly declared the financial accounts in abroad and their tax returns. India received the name of the addresses, taxpayer identification numbers and the account numbers, and also the account balances of each reportable person. The exercise by the Swiss authorities is strictly meant for tax-only purposes, and the data in India is kept in the custody of and for the action of the Central Board of the Direct Taxes, that is CBDT. India voted to reject Russia's call to hold a secret ballot at the United Nations General Assembly on a draft resolution to condemn Russia's attempted illegal annexation of the 4 regions in Ukraine. The UNGA meeting started with the procedural vote on a measure that Russia had flagged, proposing that Ukrainian draft resolution being debated be voted on a secret ballot and not through a public vote. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to visit US and to attend the annual meetings of the IMF World Bank. She will be visiting the country from October 11 to 16/22 and will participate in bilateral meetings with the several countries including South Korea, Japan, New Zealand, UAE, among others. The Finance Minister will also meet the US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and the World Bank President David separately to discuss the issues of the mutual respect. Nitin Gadkari launches first flex fuel car in India. The Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, launched India's first fuel flex car, Toyota Corolla Altis. The launch of this event was held in Delhi. The Indian government has started the production of flex fuel vehicles called E85, E90, and E95 according to the ratio of petrol to ethanol. Flex fuel cars can run on flexible fuels including ethanol, petrol, or a blend of petrol and ethanol. PM Modi inaugurated Mahakal Lok Corridor project in Ujjain. It has been built in the Mahakaleshwar temple of Ujjain, one of the 12 Jyotirlings of India. Once the inauguration is complete, the temple area will increase from 2.87 hectares to 47 hectares. It will also increase the holding capacity significantly. Election Commission of India allots flaming torch, that is mashal, as election symbol to Uddhav Thackeray, faction of the Shiv Sena. Tele-mental health assistance and the networking across the states initiative was launched by the government at the National Institution of Mental Health and Neurosciences in Bangalore. Starting with the daily current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, Modhera, which was declared as India's first 24 into 7 solar powered village, is located in which state or union territory? The next question for the day is, which institution has launched the Education 4.0 India report? The next question for the day is, Asola Bhati Wildlife Sanctuary, where leopards were spotted, is located in which state or union territory? Mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Who has become the India's first woman cricketer to win the ICC Player of the Month? Shout out to Neha, Heta, Priya, and Vedika for giving the correct answers in the previous video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. Which village has been declared as India's first 24 into 7 solar powered village? The correct answer is Modhera. The next question was, when is the World Mental Health Day observed? The correct answer is October 10. The next question was, Government of India has approved the creation of new weapon systems branch for which armed force? The correct answer is Indian Air Force. The last question was, Made in India drone has been manufactured by which company? The correct answer is Garuda Aerospace. That's it, guys. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for daily current affair videos and for such examination updates. For classroom, live class, recorded lecture, books and ebooks facilities, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens.